finished. Not what it looks like, the brim did not look like. Family all my life, tried to cut off every at least I tried. All these other girls that I can't see, I just wanna I'm ready.
Wants the big shots with prop. We get the props. Jump in your old kicks, now jump in your new kicks. Got flows and bars, let's do this. You hit our son and you lose it. It's popping off on the real kid. Pass on sheets to me, billet. Got some smoke for the real, let's spill it. Give it that microphone, let me kill it. Dance in time, now get with it. It's a hot one, and believe me, I'm not John. This style right now is a problem. Let's play these bars off random. Mad to see that smile on your face as you rave. Yeah, that makes me glad. I said, believe me, I'm not John. This style right now is a problem. Let's play these bars off random. This tune right now is a hot one. Now your mind's blown, head's gone. Good energy, ain't catering for the guys who ain't got none. If you're new to this, then you will see it's how we rock in the long run. Mad to see that smile on your face as you rave. Yeah, that makes me glad. I got loads of bars, golden hits from Winter Style. Yeah, everyone looks like this one. This one for the monster. One, I'm spraying bombs, I'm gonna kick on. On the weather, so that's it. These guys are on reminiscing, looking back on moments treasured. I've always had the pen and pad, putting in the effort. My day was from the start, my biggest fans, those times remembered. The road to the parties, supporting my endeavors. Another treasured memory, and this to this to date. Performing with a MC, someone I highly rate. What judge one of the greats, and that still stands of late. He sadly passed away, 5th July of 98. R.I.P. Classic times with every moment felt. Setting goals and hitting goals, more notches on my belt. The passion's taking over and the feeling's getting worse. Even when I went to bed, I get back up to write a verse. I take a trip down a lane and it's signposted memory. And even though the road is long, these thoughts, they keep me company. I can't describe the feeling I'm feeling, although feeling is static. I reminisce about that time when I'm feeling to smash it.
Get to the chopper.
Your bird. Up inside, I put the whip in foot so that we swerve. She just left you on the curb, and when we turned, she holds her bird. She told me you're the fucking worst. I'm on a wave, you're on the nerves. I see you jealous when we serve. Cuss me and get cursed. Your confidence will burst. My shows are raw like Eddie Murph. Stay focused and alert. You man, I've got a lot to learn. If I put her in pole position, it ain't me that's coming first.
Don't give a damn, I don't cater. Give me the mic and let me get hyper. With the big D, with the big darker. Don't let me have to lose my temper or start, cause you wouldn't want that wood jar. DW, a reckless soldier, I'm a done told ya. That we're taking over, look, minimum indicator. Liverpool gangster, not a prankster. Man was born in Jamaica and a Manchester. Climbing up a ladder. When they get up there, I'm with the big ladder. Make my name popular, live spectacular. Always come with a brand new formula.
Yeah, I got my creps on, rave gonna be messy. Thought I better swerve it, swerve it. Blowing up my DMs, now I see your missed call. Thought I better swerve it, 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 swerve it.
On the price, go to my eyes, blindfolded cause I got a target locked every side. Headshot from 2K inside. Which rack, mine is precise. Waiting on HQ for that time. Signal interference and I ready with a long range, I'm all eyes. Telescopic, new rock, ink up OCD, but the timeline's tight. I'll catch the titans in mind. Make them trip and step on that line. I hold the license, lights on the line.